Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, my name is Karuna. I am teaching math subject. I am the staff of Montessori Group of Schools, Ilandu. Okay, in before class, already I would like to explain time. Now, same. Now I revise the topic time chapter. Okay, in time chapter already in first already we learn what we learn days, months. Okay, 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. Okay, how 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. Already we are learning first topic already over. Now I would like to explain how to measure a time. How to measure a time. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a watch. We are in hand and in wall clocks we are using in walls in our. So time is more important in our daily life. So what is the use of a time? We are go to bed in time. We are using the go to bed in time. Okay, listen carefully. How to consider now most of the watches are round in shape. So this is the face of a time. This is the face of a time. So in time, okay, how many? This is the face of a clock, not time. This is the face of a clock. So in clock, how many numbers are there? 12 numbers. So first I am writing 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in clock, how many numbers are there? 12 numbers. Okay. So now once you listen, you look either watch is in this watch how many numbers are there? 12 numbers. So now we are measuring the time in 12 hours clock time. 12 hours clock time. Okay. Now, 12 hours clock time means, now listen carefully. Here, 12 hours. So, now in your watch, your observe means there are 3 needles are there. So, one is short needle, one is long needle, another one is thin needle. This uh, thin needle. So, now this is the short needle, no? The short needle called as our hand. Our hand. What our hand means? The short needle shows as a hours in a time in a clock. So the short needle shows hours. The short needle shows hours. Now this is a minute hand. This is a minute hand. This is a long needle. Minute hand. Minute hand shows the minutes in a clock. Okay, minutes hand shows the minutes in a clock. Understood? Now this is the seconds. So now we are in a school days or in at home. We are using our hand and minute hand. The seconds hands we are using the in games and then any entertainment programs for we are using second hours clock. Okay, but we are using our hand and minute hand. So in our hand shows the hours, minute hand shows the minute. How we can write a time? Now first listen carefully. Now this is minute hand. This is our hand. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now listen. How to measure a time? This is 9 and this is 9. Here, listen carefully. Here, shorthand which number shows ma? 12. Which number shows 12. So, now whatever number shows is shorthand, you write exact time. So, now here which number shows shorthand? 12. So, I am writing 12. So, second hands no need. So, now we are using, generally we are using hours and minutes. Okay, seconds now we are not using. Why? Because that is very small unit. So now we are depends upon in time, hours and minutes. So now first listen carefully. This hours hand shows which number shows 12 and minute hand shows which number shows minute hand 3. So now while writing a minute, so whatever number shows, first we can multiply whatever exact number. We can multiply with 5. Okay, here which number shows 3? 3 into 5, 15. For example, 2 shows 2 5s are 10. Or 1 shows 1 into 5, 1 5s are 5. 4 shows 4 into 5, 20. 5 shows 5 into 5. For example, here which number shows in a minute hand? 3 5s are 15. Now the time is 12:15. Now the time is 12:15. So now how do we read this number? How do we read this number, or how do we write this number in words? In words. So here 15 minutes past 12. Like this writing, or 15 minutes place we are writing quarter. Quarter. All of you know very well, 15 minutes means quarter, 30 minutes means half. Okay, understood? So now I am writing here 15 minutes is equal to quarter, equal to quarter. So now in 15 minutes place I am writing quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. Or 30 minutes means what we can write? 30 minutes means what we can write? Half. Okay, understood? Half. Okay, now so in 12, for example, the minute hand shows 6. For example, minute hand shows 6. What we can write here? Now this one I am big, and now here I am write 12:30. 12:30. Why we are writing 30? Here what is the number shows? 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So now 30. Now the time is 12:30. Now the time is 12:30. How do we write this number, or in words? So 30 minutes past 12. 30 minutes past 12. Okay. So now and again, how do we write? Half past 12. That half past 12. Okay, understood? Okay, these two methods we are using in time writing in words. Okay. So now this is 12:30. Now next. Now for example, look, this is our hand, and this is minute hand. So already in before I will explaining. Now our hand which number shows? 2. And minute hand which number shows? 12. So now 12 we are writing before. 12 5s are 60. Already we know that. What we know that 1 minute is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So now here 12 means 12 5s are 60. So now the time is already 12. So now the what is the time? 2 o'clock. What we write? 2 o'clock. Understood? So 2 zeros, and we are writing another method also. 2 o'clock. Okay, understood? 2 o'clock. And okay, now for example, this minute hand, this hour hand shows 4. How do we write? 4 and 0. And how do we write? 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Okay, understood? Now for example, this short hand shows 8. How do we write? 8 o'clock. Okay, understood? How do we write? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Okay, understood? Now, for example, 12 shows, we put a 2 zeros. How do we write? Whatever number shows in hour, first we write in hour, and then after 12 shows means you put a 2 zeros. For example, the minute hand shows 3. How do we write? 8:15. Okay, understood? 8:15. For example, why 3 5s are 15? For example, the minute hand shows 6. The minute hand shows 6. How do we write? 8. 6 5s are 30. The time is 8:30. Understood all of you? Okay. If you are, for example, one more. Now, okay. 6 means half. 3 means 15. Okay. For example, now minute hand shows 2. Minute hand shows 2. Now the time is 2 5s are 10. Now the time is, so here our hand which number shows? 8. Okay. Now 2 5s are 10. So now the minutes is 8:10. Now how do we write? 10 minutes past 8. How do we write this number? Okay, 10 minutes past 8. For example, now one more example I will take here. Now here our hand shows 10 and minute hand shows 4. Now the time is, here our hand shows 10. Our hand shows 10. So our hand which number shows? Now first we write exact number. And minute hand shows what is the number? 4. So now we don't write 4. Here what we can do? 4 5s are 20. Now the time is 10:20. Now the time is 10:20. How do we write this number? 20 minutes past 10. 20 minutes past 10. Okay. Now the time is 20 minutes past 10 or 10:20. Okay. In numbers 10:20. In writing in words 20 minutes past 10. Okay. Now one more problem. For example, now the hour hand shows 11. The minute hand shows 8. Now, what is the time now? Now here our hand shows 11. So our hand which number shows? 11. So you write first 11 as it is. And minute hand which number shows? Here 8. So 8, we don't write 8 exactly. What we can do? 8 into 5. 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. So now this 40 you are writing in minutes. So now 8 5s are 40. Now the time is 11:40. Now the time is 11:40. How do we write this number? 40 minutes past 11. Now the time is 40 minutes past 11. So this is the time. Now here, now this is the clock. No. Now in this clock they are divided into two parts. What are the two parts? Means midnight 12. So night 12 o'clock night. This is called midnight. So in this midnight 12, after here to this midnight 2 and again morning, early morning 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12. Up to afternoon, this is considered as a, and a 12 night. 12 night to 12 up to afternoon 12 o'clock. This is considered as a AM. This is considered as a AM. And next 12:1. This is 12 o'clock noon. Noon means afternoon. Afternoon to night 12 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock. This is considered as a PM. What is AM? What is PM? AM means anti-meridian. PM means post meridian, anti meridian and post meridian. That's why we are using in railway station. We are observing means they are using 24 hours clock time. How we can measure 24 hours clock time means they are afternoon 12 o'clock finish, afternoon 12 o'clock finish after 12:01, 12:02, then 12:30, 12:40, 12:50, 12:55, 12:59. Then after they are considered as a 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Likewise, they are using in railway station, in somebody's place, they are using 24 hours clock time. 24 hours clock time. So that's why one day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, one day is equal to 24 hours. How? Here 12 to 12 am and here 12 afternoon to midnight 12 o'clock pm. This am and pm 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 hours. So that's why they are 24 hours finished means one day is completed. One day is completed. That's why one day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. One day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now okay, today maths assignment. Here maths assignment. Now draw the clock. Draw the clock. Here I am given time. Here 11:40. Okay, 11:40. We can draw the clock and draw the time also. Okay, next 8:30. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, 8:30. First you draw the dial and then after in that you shows the hour hand and minute hand. Hour hand is exactly and minute hand shows here 30 means what we can do? 6 5s are 30. Here 40 given means 8 5s are 40. So 40 means this is a minute hand shows 8. Here 30 means here shows the minute hand 6. Okay, now next. Second one, write the time. So now what is the time? Right, 1 2 3 okay. Now this is shorthand and this is a longhand. Now write the time here. Okay, next B1. What is the time? Okay, so these are 4 assignments. You can do it here you can draw the clock as it is. Likewise you can write and write minute hand and shorthand. Here also these two are draw the clock and you can shows the time, and here already I draw the clock and you can write the time. Okay, understood? This is the today's maths assignment. Okay, thank you.